What will you say if I tell you that you could make wallets, pencil cases, card holders and a lot more with no particular skills, with no glue and no stitching? Well, this is what we are going to do today. I'm going to show you how to make 3 different items: a wallet, a card holder and a pencil case. You will see that the process is super easy, and I have included a link to download and print the patterns under the video. For this project, I will use a beautiful waxed leather from Babylon Leather. Subscribers of my channel will get a 15% discount by using the coupon code LeatherCraftAcademy15. Babylon Leather is stocking a very nice selection of leathers in various colors. Check them out if you need leather. Without further ado, let's get started. To begin, I have printed the patterns on A4 paper at scale 100%. And I am connecting the one that didn't fit on a single page with sticky tape. I'm now going to glue the paper on cardboard, so the templates will be easier to use. I'm now carefully cutting them and use a ruler for all the straight edges. I'm using a 2mm sponge to cut the slots, and a 3mm one to make the hole for the snap buttons. Now, this step isn't necessary if you don't have the tool to do so, but I like to use an edge beveler to give the edges a nice rounded profile. Then I crease them with an iron. And finally dye them. Let's now set the snap buttons. The pencil case and the card holder will need them. I am using 15mm snap for this project. The last step is to assemble the three products as follows, and as promised, no glue nor stitching were used. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, subscribe and share for more content like this in the future. Bye.